NLC boss Muhammad Swazuri, Atanas Maina, the Kenya Railways Managing Corporation Director, 12 other suspects and 3 entities were jointly charged with conspiracy to commit a crime of corruption through irregular compensation for public land the government controversially acquired to build the standard gauge railway. The transaction resulted in the loss of over 221 million shillings taxpayers' money. Also in the dock were NLC Valuation and Taxation Director Salome Munubi, the Commission CEO Tom Aziz Chavangi, Francis Mugo, Victor Karioki, Elijah Nyamu, John Mwaniki, Caroline Kitui, Peter Mburu, Gladys Mwikali, Obadia Mbugua, David Some and Esther Some. 3 companies, namely Dasehe Investment Limited, Kebuko Investment Limited, and Olomotit Estate Limited were also listed alongside the accused persons. The suspects separately faced other charges, namely abuse of office, unlawful acquisition of public property, neglect of official duty, and unlawful disposal of public property, but all denied committing the offences.
The National Lands Commission office at Abbey House.
The lead prosecutor, Lilian Obuo, an assistant director of public prosecution, asked the court to deny the accused bond, terming the charges as grave offences which should be treated as crimes against humanity. However, the defense, led by senior counsel Tom Ojenda, pleaded with court to have the accused released on bond, saying the criminal charges relate to a civil matter.
Apply for bail on behalf of the accused person as ordained by Article 49(1)(h) of the Constitution and Section 123(1) and 2 of the Criminal Procedure Code. Bail is a constitutional right, Your Honor, and this has clearly been set out in the case of Rogers Nzioka and 11 others versus Republic. I have supplied my learned friends with copies.
The court then adjourned for 2.5 hours, and when it resumed, the chief magistrate made his ruling on the bail application.
They shall be released upon executing a bond of Kenya shillings 6 million plus a surety-like amount, or in the alternative, each shall deposit a cash bill of Kenya shillings 3,500,000, that is 3.5 million.
The suspects were ordered to be remanded until such a time their cash bail or surety is presented in court. They were also instructed not to visit the NLC or Ministry of Land offices without police escort. Cash bail ruling by the Anti-Corruption Court is a setback for the prosecutor, who had hoped to detain the accused father for interrogation. Now the Office of Director of Public Prosecution must have a watertight evidence during the rest of the case hearing, whose next phase will be during the pre-trial on the 29th August. Seth Olale, NTV, Milimani Law Courts.